Today I'm going to be unboxing this long pendant necklaces that I got. They come in different length and they come in a pack like this, and I get 12. So this is what it looks like. You can see the design is so beautiful. Very beautiful. You can use it on sweaters, on blouses, on dresses, and very elegant designs. Another design right here. I love this one. It's such a bold colored one, very bold. I love how these long pendant necklaces come in different designs, different shapes, and even different ways to wear them. They're made out of alloy material, and this one actually makes it easy for it to reflect very beautifully against whatever clothes you put on, and it also allows it not to easily break, and the color does not easily fade. So I love that I can wear this for a long time, and I can wear it for different occasions. This is a great gift idea that you can use as a gift for your family, for your spouses, weddings, Christmas, anything that you want. And they're very trendy. You can see how trendy these necklaces are. And I also love that the fact that they kind of cascade down and they reflect really nicely in the light. You can use it as a daily outfit. With your daily outfit, you can use it in any way at all. I absolutely like this, and I feel that it's something that can be a great addition to your jewelry collection.